Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you Vaseline and yeast will make you 16 years old girl, no matter how old you are, even if you are over 40 and over 60 years old. This magical remedy will remove the wrinkles and the fine lines naturally and will get you firm skin. If you do have sagging skin and you do have wrinkles and fine lines and your skin does look dull and lifeless, this magical remedy will bring life to your skin and will get you rid of any kind of wrinkles and fine lines. The first ingredient we need to add is around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add on it instant dry yeast, and I'm going to add 1 full teaspoon of yeast, like so. Mix these two ingredients together. Once you mix it, it's going to be this paste, need to be strong paste like so. Once we mix it together, we need to add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, just 1 teaspoon. And again we need to mix well again. We will end up with this cream paste. Which is 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. That's super effective in getting rid of wrinkles. I recommend you try to find it and get it and add it on your remedies. It is super effective. Then my friends, we need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and here I'm using 1000 milligrams vitamin E. Cut the capsule like so and add the vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, add sweet almond oil because it contains vitamin E. Like so, my friends. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients. You'll find the ingredients mixed easily together like so. And you will end up with this magical cream paste. Store it to use it every night before you sleep. Apply it like so. We don't need to apply that much. Apply just little bit like so. Massage the skin with it and go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice a great results. The wrinkles will vanish literally, and keep using it every night before you sleep to achieve the best results.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.